Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am actually trying out a loose powder right now. I just did my foundation. I am trying out the Covergirl Clean Professional Loose Powder. I don't know if you guys have ever tried this. This here says it's for normal skin, so I actually think I have a little bit more oily skin. But let's go ahead and open this up and see how the formula feels. Okay, so I got in the color translucent medium. You guys can see that's like not a white translucent. It actually has a tad bit of color there. And it comes with this really ugly, weird type of puff pad for, I mean, look at this. It's like hairy. Okay. Let's go ahead and pull off the tape. Okay, for demonstration purposes only, I'm going to use this on half of my face. Then I'm going to go back in on the other half of my face and use my actual powder brush. So a great way to get the powder out of it is just turn it upside down with no puff pad in there, and wow, this is a fantastic sifter. Look at that, how much came out of it. Let's go ahead and just, I mean, you guys can see why I don't like these type of pads, because it's like random and all over. But let's go ahead and try it out. Oh, it has that smell. Oh my gosh, I remember that smell. Okay, for you guys that are around my age, if you, why is that irritating to my skin? That's a, Okay, so what I was gonna say as I feel this little bit of irritation to my skin is, you guys remember, if you remember, Covergirl used to have a very distinctive smell to their compacts back in the day. Okay, so I went to go get it. Back in the day, guys, they used to have these cleansers like this. I forgot the actual name that we used to call it, but it was like, I mean, it looks really gross, but they used to have these cleansers just like this that you would rub all over your skin and clean your skin. But the smell is super strong. That smells exactly like how this powder smells, which I'm not saying is a bad thing. I'm just saying it has like this minty, chemical fragrant smell, I guess you could say. Okay, so there's the puff pad. Ugh, I just hate that. Okay, so let's go ahead and go with the powder brush on this side. And the irritation, well, okay, you know what? As soon as I put it on, I can almost feel like it's not a burning sensation. It's an itchy sensation. And mind you, I do not have sensitive skin at all. Wow, so I was as light as my neck before putting on this powder, and now I'm darker than my neck. And I almost have like a little bit of an orange tint. So don't get the medium if you're as light as I am. Guys, it looks like a really nice powder on the skin. Besides that, I grabbed the wrong color. And besides that, it kind of gave me that instant like itchiness to my skin. I'm going to say that it looks really, really good on the skin. Now, how does it feel on the hand? Let me just grab a little bit. It's very, very soft. And it's finely milled. I do have to say that. You guys can see the coverage right there. That is why my skin looks the color it is. Because this is obviously a tinted translucent. I swear. I'm like, isn't translucent supposed to be like clear? Ugh, whatever. Anyways, besides the fact that it has tint and it should just be saying a loose powder with color and not translucent, I think it's a really, really nice powder. I didn't like the fact that it irritated my skin when I put it on, because I've never had that happen ever. But it subsided like right away. I don't like the fact that it kind of smells like, I mean, come on, if you guys remember what this stuff used to be called, there was a very popular name back in the day. Anyways, it does have a stronger odor to it, and I don't prefer that. But overall, the powder is pretty good. It looks really good on the skin. So I hope you guys enjoyed my review. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Hit the little subscribe button and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. If you guys actually remember the name of this stuff that we used to wash our face with, let me know. It was like that, you know, you just dip into it and clean your face with it. Oh, Anyways, this is ancient, obviously, and been in the shower for a long time. But anyways, I am Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.